Hello, welcome back to Makers Creating. So today I am going to be making another gift basket. This one is for my daughter. This is her first year in her own place. So I am getting her some essentials that she can actually use in her home. All these items except for the bow and the ribbon and the ornament I purchased from Dollar Tree. So as you can see, I have the bucket and all the items. You will need some tape, possibly some pop dots. I am using a basket bag. The bow, I got those for 25-cent clearance last year. So again, get your items after Christmas. The ornaments and the ribbon also to add decoration to the basket. So now I'm going to assemble the items into the bucket. I've already put in my shred and just to give it a little bit of height. So I always place the tallest item or the weightiest item in the middle. I'm going to start placing the items around it. And you want to have everything facing out so that you can see everything that's in there. I try to get her things that I know she uses regularly, so she'll be really happy with her basket. And so right now I'm just situating everything in there. Sometimes you might have to move things around to get it, just so. But I got it in there, and I'm pretty happy with how everything looks. So this is a view. You can see from all sides pretty much everything that's in there. And then she'll be able to still use the bucket after she takes all the contents out. So now I'm just going to prepare to put it in the basket bag. I love these basket bags. They make it. I use cellophane also, but when I have bigger items, I like to use the basket bags because they're just easy. And you get two in a pack at Dollar Tree, so you can do two gift baskets with that. Now this basket is great for a new homeowner. It's great for a college student. It's great for as like my daughter. This is her first year in her own place. This is good for to give as just a regular gift to someone with home essentials. So the again, I say the options are endless when you're doing gift baskets because you can be so versatile with what you do with the gift baskets, the contents of it. But this is a great option here. I'm just snipping the sides at the bottom of the bag. That just releases some of the air, and you just do a little snip, just enough so that you can get the air out of there. If you see those feet, that's my son. He's keeping me company while I'm making the basket. So right now I'm just securing the sides. And this really comes with practice because when I first started doing baskets, I kind of had a difficult time securing the sides so that it wouldn't look bulky, but I've learned some tips and tricks now because I've made so many baskets. I sell a lot of baskets and I make a lot of baskets that I give away as gifts. So I've learned a lot of tips and tricks along the way of how to get those sides secured and laid down, and they're not so bulky. I just want to add in that I do sell baskets, as I have stated. And if you're interested in purchasing a basket, you can always email the channel email. I do have a website that I sell baskets on also. So now I'm about to add in the bow. I love this big gold bowl. When I saw these bowls were marked down to like 25 cents, I bought every single one of them in every color they had. And I have the curling ribbon that I will attach to the bowl. So instead of me using the adhesive that's on the back of the bowl, I like to use the ribbon or twine or something to attach it so that it doesn't come off. And then I take the ornament, and that just adds a little bit more decoration to it. I really like to make my baskets look good all the way around, and so this just adds a little bit extra to it. I'm really happy with how this turned out. I know she's gonna really love this, and this will, be something that she can actually use the contents in it and the bucket after she's taken everything out. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you can know every time I upload a video. If you have any video ideas, put them in the comments below. If you have any general questions that you just want to ask me in regards to gifts, send me an email to my channel email. And again, I like to make sure that I secure. I didn't have to do much with the securing the contents inside the basket because it was such a tight fit that everything fits snugly in there. So that was a good thing. But the basket is complete. So there you go. So here is the finished product. This is the front view. And this is the back view. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you can know every time I upload a video.